Hey there! If you're watching this, you or someone you care about is probably looking for the best foods to eat as you get older. First off, let me say, taking care of what you eat is one of the best gifts you can give yourself at any age, but it's especially important as we get a little wiser. So, what should you put on your plate? Let's start with breakfast. Oatmeal is a superstar here. It's easy to digest, gentle on your stomach, and packed with fiber, which helps keep your heart healthy and your tummy happy. Add a handful of berries or sliced bananas for a touch of sweetness and a boost of vitamins. Next up, let's talk protein. I know chewing steak can be a chore, so go for softer options like scrambled eggs, tofu, or baked fish like salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids that support your brain, eyes, and even your mood. If you like, toss in some steamed spinach or peas for color and an extra punch of nutrients. Don't forget about dairy, or its alternatives. Yogurt, especially Greek yogurt, is easy to eat and gives you a good dose of calcium and protein. If you're lactose intolerant, try almond or soy-based yogurts that are fortified with calcium and vitamin D. Both are essential for keeping your bones strong and reducing the risk of fractures. For snacks, keep it simple and satisfying. Slice up apples or pears and dip them in peanut butter or almond butter. Nuts are great, but go easy on them. Just a small handful can give you healthy fats and keep you feeling full. One thing I always like to remind people, drink plenty of water. Sometimes as we age, our sense of thirst fades, so keep a glass nearby and sip throughout the day. Herbal teas and broths are also lovely, especially if you want something warm and comforting. Last but not least, don't be afraid to add flavor. Herbs and spices, like basil, cinnamon, or turmeric, not only make food delicious but can deliver health benefits too. Just watch the salt shaker, since too much sodium isn't great for blood pressure. Remember, eating well isn't about strict diets or giving up all your favorites. It's about adding more good stuff to your daily routine and enjoying every bite. Take it one meal at a time, listen to your body, and always chat with your doctor about your choices. Here's to your health, happiness, and many more good meals. Thanks for spending these minutes with me.